Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome young studio for the bro. I have installed a brand new Android 11 1UE 3.1 on my phone. As you can see, it's not a joke. And I also installed something amazing that people like. This is how to see the frame rate when you play games. Frame rate information, CPU and GPU information with temperature. This is simple. You have Galaxy Store. You go on Galaxy Store and you download what you need to download. Okay? What you need to download is game playing. Game playing is here in front of you. This is game playing. Okay? You come here on Galaxy Store and you're looking for game playing. Okay, when you have game playing, you can install this. Okay, you install this, and now you need to install another things that is called perf. Okay, let me show you. You have on game playing perf. Okay, perf z. When you click on this, you can see FPS, CPU, GPU, and temperature. You can choose what you want, and it's working very well. If you want to see the FPS, you need to do this. If you want to see CPU information, you need to do this. If you want to see GPU information, you need to do this. If you want to stop all of this, to close this like that. This is simple. And when you start, the thing that you need to do is to open your favorite game. Like what? Okay, let me open for this Call of Duty, for example. Okay, and now look at what I have on this screen. Look at what I have on this screen. Do you believe us? You can see 60 FPS. Do you believe this? Now I have 60 FPS information, GPU, CPU information, GPU information, temperature, all of this in front of you. When your phone become hot, you can see all of this information here. You can stop playing. You can put your phone in where you want and enjoy yourself. Let's see how to show FPS, GPU, CPU, temperature on your screen, bro, with the brand new Android 11 1UE 3.1. Now, let's play together, okay? Let's play games to see how it's working. And there's something I want to show you. When you hold this thing, what? Hold this thing. Let's try to hold. Wonderful. When you hold this thing, look at what you have in this screen. Look at what you have now. Do you believe this? You can configure this. If you want to eat, you can eat auto. You can show. Okay, I like this. You can see auto minimize. You can enable or disable. For example, let's see. As you can see, it's here. When you play, you can see disappear for something like that. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Now I can do the same action. Hold. Okay, when you hold, you can access to face directly here. I don't want to minimize this. You can make transparent this thing. Transparent is like transparent, and this is good though. Wonderful. I don't want to make this transparent right now because I want to show you very well. What? I want to click OK. Nice. Now, as you can see, it appears very well in front of you. In front of you. All nice. You can make disappear what you want to see. Disappear. Disappear again. No way. How is possible? You can make it appear again. Disappear again. Appear again. Hey. God is good, oh. God is good, oh. Yes. Okay. Now you are ready. You can move. You can move this. You can change its position. Okay. And what? You can move. Put this here. For example, do you believe us? You can also change its position for something like that. Really? In the corner? Yes! This is not a joke. This is not a joke. It's real, bro. Nice. Okay. Now you can see the FPS here. You can also do something that I like. Okay. You can hold, remove all of this. You have CPU. No. You can. What? Where are you? Where are you? Look at nothing. Do you believe this? It's still pure. Ay. Where are you, bro? Let me do something. Come here. Okay. You can see this here on path Z. Enable, and enable again. Yes. Come here. Okay. And it's appear again in front of you. All. Thank you. Put this here and put, or you can also put this here. Okay, now let's play something. Let's play right now. Multiplayer. You can start. Get ready. What? What are you doing here? Volume. I don't know how to play this, but I can see the FPS here. Look at the FPS. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? The FPS appear in front of you. 60 FPS. You can see temperature, GPU, CPU, all of this. Okay. Look at. You can play. Oh, what is this? Look at in front of me. What? Do you believe it? Look at the FPS in the corner. Okay. Oh, what are you doing? What can I do? How to play this thing? Ooh. What? What is this? What? How to play?
Next whistle in 10 seconds.
Bro, I don't know how to play this thing, bro. What? He's so crazy. Look at. Do you believe this?
Next whistle in 10 seconds.
Oh no, wait! I wanted to kill me. Oh. Do you believe it? What is this? He tried to kill me. It's so cool. Jesus! Explosion. Finish for you. Finish for you. Oh. Finish for you. I don't know what is this game, but I can see the FPS here. Temperature is beautiful. Wow. Look at very well my setting. When you press on this, you can see it's hidden. When you press again, it's appear. And what?
Next whistle in 10
When you
seconds.
press again, hidden by yourself. Look at that. I want to press and make appear the settings. What am I doing? Okay, look at my setting. This is my settings. Okay, thank you. You can also do the same thing, the same thing, and have a possibility to make your own choice. Thank you for watching. I see you later for the next video. For the this is on 3.1 about phone. Sort of motion. No. Sort of motion. Yes. Look at Android 11. It's cool. It's beautiful. March 1st, 2021. And this is cool. Thanks for watching. I love you all. And I'll see you later for more videos. God bless you. Look at. So nice.